Whoever you are on this planet, whether prominent or humble, as long as you are alive, you are influenced by the three gunas: rajas, passion; tamas, darkness; and sattva, purity. These qualities, along with the 9 planets and the 27 nakshatras, exert their influence on you. The patterns you follow in this lifetime are shaped by the desires accumulated over many past lives, along with the wishes of your ancestors, leading to experiences of either a good life or a challenging one. Beyond individuals, these celestial forces also shape worldly affairs, weather patterns, and the cycles of time on Earth. No matter what you do, you cannot transcend the boundaries of time and space. A unique transit involving a solar eclipse is set to occur on March 29, 2025. This alignment is unprecedented in my experience. Examining the chart for this date, we see that during the eclipse, Saturn will be at 29 degrees and 59 minutes in Aquarius, just about to enter Pisces. This shift is significant as Saturn is changing signs. In Pisces, we find Rahu, retrograde Venus, retrograde Mercury, the Moon, the Sun, and Jupiter in Taurus. Mars is in Gemini and Ketu is in Virgo. Mars by its 4th aspect and Jupiter by its 5th aspect, and all the planets from Pisces are aspecting Ketu, with Saturn joining them in Pisces on the 29th. In this configuration, Ketu holds special significance. There is an interchange between Jupiter and Venus. The dispositors of all the planets, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, are connected with Pisces and Ketu. Notably, this celestial event coincides with Chaitra Shukla Pratipada, or the start of Navaratri in the Vedic New Year, and Saturn's sign change happens on a Saturday. This is a powerful alignment, a solar eclipse, Saturn's sign change on a Saturday, the Vedic New Year, and all planets aspecting Ketu in Virgo. This eclipse is happening in Uttarabhadrapada Nakshatra. Lord is Saturn, Kurma avatar, and Devata is Ahibudna. Deity, Ahirbudhyana, water serpent or dragon of the deep seas. He is the god of fertility, Kundalini, and has a special need for seclusion. He is one of the 11 Rudras and is the son of Viswakarma, the celestial architect. Goddess Lakshmi is also associated with this nakshatra. Ketu represents both attachment and detachment. It removes what is unnecessary from our lives. Ketu signifies many things, but here I am focusing solely on its role in Pisces. Ketu is not generally associated with material gains, but it is a significator of wealth in the form of treasuries. It represents ascetics, the national flag, and flags of religious places, the roots of life, conical or triangular shapes, renunciation, saints, and true spirituality, not the trends seen on social media. Ketu is also associated with heights, such as mountains, and with solitude. Pisces is considered Ketu's Multrikon sign, where its intrinsic power is strongest, while Scorpio is the ruling sign. On March 29, 2025, Saturn will join all the planets in Pisces. Each planet carries unique significations that are deeply symbolic. Here are a few examples. The Sun represents the Agni, or fire element. Mars also signifies fire, but is connected to Bhumi, the earth element. Mercury represents the earth element and is the significator of communication. Jupiter represents the Akash, space element. Venus is associated with the water element, specifically drinking water. The Moon signifies salty water. Saturn and Rahu are connected with the air element, though Saturn is also linked to tectonic plates that have existed for thousands of years. Ketu represents the fire element and is associated with earthquakes and tsunamis as it breaks the Earth's plates. In astrology, Ketu is considered a malefic planet. Rahu, as an air element, is linked to hurricanes and tornadoes. These planetary significations are also connected to the Ashtamurtis of Lord Shiva, the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu, and the feminine energy Dasa Mahavidyas. The 9 planets and 12 zodiac signs correspond to aspects of Lord Vishnu, with the 12 signs representing his body parts. Ketu is particularly connected with the Matsya fish avatar of Lord Vishnu. In this video, I am keeping the explanation simple and will not delve into advanced topics such as the Sangata Nakshatra Chakra, Savadabhadra Chakra, Kurma Chakra, or Koda Chakra, tools that allow for precise predictions regarding the occurrence of natural calamities, mass deaths, wars, or civil unrest. This video serves as an alert and prediction for the world, with the goal of raising awareness. The path of this partial solar eclipse will cover Europe, Northern Asia, and Northwestern Africa, much of North America, northern South America, the Atlantic, and the Arctic regions. The countries where the eclipse will be visible include: this solar eclipse path has been sourced from timeanddate.com. Saturn came in the Pisces in the year 16th Feb 1996. These are the significant natural calamities happened, written below. Jupiter Atachari and its impact on mankind. In astrology, Jupiter is known as the Jiva or Jiva Karaka planet, symbolizing life and growth. Guru, Jupiter is believed to guide humanity toward positive evolution. However, when Jupiter enters Atachari, a fast-forward motion, unique challenges arise, affecting the course of human events and natural patterns. From December 11, 2018 to April 13, 2022, Jupiter moved into an Atachari phase. Following this, Jupiter will again enter Atachari motion from May 14, 2025 to March 17, 2033, and later from April 14, 2036 to September 11, 2043, with another Atachari phase from March 21, 2047 to September 18, 2050. These periods are pivotal, not only astrologically but also in terms of worldly transformations. The year 2025 holds particular significance as it aligns with shifts in the precession of the equinox and marks an essential phase in the Yuga cycle. The concept of the Yuga cycle varies across different schools of thought, each interpreting it in unique ways. For simplicity, I won't go into the details here. This time heralds notable changes in Earth's energy and is likely to impact the physical and spiritual realms of human life. Awareness and conclusion. From 2025 onward, the water element becomes significantly active. In astrology, water is connected to Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces is a sign associated with the moksha, liberation, trine, and brahmana, divine energy. Represented by two fish, Pisces symbolizes the endless cycle of life. Here, Venus is exalted, Jupiter is the Lord, and Mercury is debilitated. As Pisces represents devotion and mukti, salvation, we may find ourselves reflecting deeply, praying, and seeking divine intervention for things beyond our control. This active water energy could lead to an increase in severe cyclones, tsunamis, heavy rains, floods, and even volcanic eruptions. From April 2025, global coastal areas will face heightened risks of natural disasters. Regions in India, such as Mumbai, South India, Kolkata, and the northeastern areas, and locations worldwide, including California, Mexico, Turkey, Northern Europe, and parts of Asia, will be particularly vulnerable. The year 2025 will bring unprecedented shifts in global climate, with record-high temperatures and unfamiliar climate patterns. As we proceed from 2025 to 2033, the world is set to undergo a profound transformation, affecting nations, economies, industries, technology, and even the frontiers of space exploration. By 2033, our world may look dramatically different, akin to futuristic visions often seen in Hollywood films. For those residing in coastal areas, especially high-risk zones like Mumbai and California, it is advisable to consider relocating or staying alert to avoid potential risks. The years 2025 to 2033 will be a critical period of change and adaptation. In addition to climatic shifts, this period will witness advances in artificial intelligence, technological developments, and human consciousness.